What's up friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this new video how I promote ClickBank products with Google Ads. I will show my personal case study with some of my income proofs. Okay, so if you are interested to promote your ClickBank products using Google Ads, then complete this tutorial A to Z. I will show you my real life case study, and if you interested to apply this method, then you can use it. Okay guys, now let me show some of my results. You see here, it's my ClickBank result. I want to log in into my ClickBank account. You see here, now I will show you how I turn $76 into over $2,500. Okay, now let me see it. Okay, January on to 30 March. Okay, you see here, I use this product Kibo code. You see 88 clicks, and here is my initial commission, here is my reveal commission, and here is my total commission. Okay, now see here, here is my Kibo code review at campaign, and here is my click, here is my impression, and here is my cost 76. Okay, and it's my review, it's my trump card. Okay, now I will show you step by step how I can do it, and if you are interested, then you can do it too. So you have to watch this video completely. Okay guys, I am Raju Bhadro, affiliate marketer of legendary marketer ClickBank, JVju, and many other high ticket affiliate programs, and making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing, by online marketing, and I am working here for last 8 years. Okay guys, now first thing is first, if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. And you see here, it's an educational YouTube channel, a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. You can cover here ClickBank method, JVju method, Warrior Plus method, CPA method, free traffic, high ticket program, Google Ads, everything you can get inside my YouTube channel. So I can assure you, you never be frustrated, you never be disappointed to subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, it's my challenge. Okay, now if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number one recommendation or check my video description. Okay, make 10,000 per month affiliate commission, you can get it. And see here, get unlimited buyer traffic, you can check my traffic secret. Okay, and a lot of money making opportunities, so don't miss to check my video description. Okay guys, now I will show you my real life case study with income proofs, and how I create account on ClickBank, how I choose the best product from ClickBank, and how I make a review, and how I set up all of my Google Ads campaign. Everything I will show you, and that I already done, and I just repeat once again. Okay, so you see here, what you do need to apply this method. Okay, what do you need to apply this method? You see here, a ClickBank account. Okay, you need a minimum budget. It's a Google ad, so you need a minimum budget, and you have to write an amazing review. Your review depends how much sale you can make. Okay, and how much investment you needed to make sales, it depends on your reviews. And if you want to make an amazing review, and it's fine if you already know it, and if you don't know how to write an amazing review, then you can check my video description, and I make a video about this, and you can check it. Okay, that will help you to make an amazing review that makes more conversion. Okay, and finally you have to set up your Google ad campaigns, and all the 4 elements that you needed I will show you. Okay, so don't worry. And what you don't you need to apply this method? Okay, you don't need investment huge money. Okay, you don't need to invest huge money. If you can write an amazing review, then you don't need to invest huge money. And you don't need a website. You can think, I will run Google Ads. That means you need a website. Yes, if you want to get professional look, then you must need a website. And if you don't have a website, and if you don't want to create an website, then you can use Site Google, you can use Google Docs, you can use Medium, you can use Blogger. Okay, to get approval on Google. It doesn't matter, you need a website. Okay, if you have a website or not, it totally doesn't matter. Okay, but I recommend you to create a website, to build a website, then it looks more professional. Okay, and you don't need to make any videos, and you don't need to buy any software or tools to apply this method. Okay, you see it what I do, and you just need to do it. Okay, and you don't need to have any marketing skills. Okay, when you run Google ads, when you run Facebook ads, I think some marketing skills needed. But if you apply this method, apply this copy paste method, then you don't need it. Okay, I will show you everything. And you don't need to wait months after months to get result, to see your results. If you can run your ads properly, then you will get your results fast. Okay, and if you can write an amazing review, you can get more conversion. That's it. So guys, these all the elements you need and you don't need, and I will show you how I create account on ClickBank, how I choose the offers, and how I make a review, and how I set up Google Ads campaign to run campaign, to get clicks and get conversion like this crazy on. Okay, so guys, at the first step you have to create your ClickBank account. Okay, sign out. It's the form of ClickBank. It's 100% free to join. Put up your country. Okay, then your first name, then your last name, then your phone number, your email address, your password, and select create, continue term and condition, and click here, then join ClickBank. Okay, it takes 2 or 3 days to get approval. Okay guys, after creating your ClickBank account, you have to choose your products. Okay, and for this you have to visit ClickBank Marketplace. Visit this ClickBank Marketplace, then visit e-business and e-marketing. Now you see here a lot of affiliate marketing, online marketing, make money online related products here, a lot of products here you see here. Now you can choose any of the product, then apply the same way that I, in this case, this KiboCode quantum review, in this case I apply it, and you can apply the same way for any product. Okay, so you can choose any of the product and make an amazing review, then set up your Google Ads campaign and get conversion like this. Okay, now you have to say how can you write an amazing review. Okay, review is the key point, review is the key fact. If you can write an amazing review, then you can make sales. Otherwise you can get click, you can cost money, you can invest money, and you can cost your money, but you don't get any results. If you can write an amazing review, then only then you can get results, and for this you have to write a perfect review. Okay, but if you can if you already write an perfect review, then fine, obviously fine. And if you want to know how to write an perfect review, how to write an amazing review, then you can check my video description, and it's another video, it's another of my video. Then in this video I reveal how to write a perfect review. Okay, you have to watch it if you want to run, if you want to apply this method, if you want to run Google Ads, if you want to run an amazing review, I recommend you to watch this video. Okay, fine. I don't want to elaborately in this video in these topics, and for this I recommend it. Okay, you see here, it's my review, and now you can say, you can ask how I get all the info. You see here the product, and you see the affiliate. Is this page for affiliate, you see in every product this page for affiliate, this page for affiliate. That means you will get all the info about this product in this affiliate page, and you can use this affiliate page to write your reviews. Okay, now you see here, I just want to show the few feature points that I discussed inside my review. You see here, here is the content of my review. At the first, it's not you have to write, you have to create an in image imaging images for your review product, and this image also search on Google, search on image search, and you can share this image on Pinterest, you can share on Tumblr, Instagram. Okay, now you see here the summary of this product, the first. Okay, fine, it's everything okay, okay, all the summary. Then introduction of this product. Okay, you see here the introduction of this product. You have to discuss about this product, just shortcut. Okay, after that you see here top few reasons why this product is highly recommended for anyone. Okay, fine. Then does this product really works? Okay, then how does this product help to become an online millionaire? Okay, then what can you achieve inside this training program? Okay, then my final honest opinion about this product price. And finally, okay, on point here, does it ought to buy and does it risk free? Okay, people want to know it. And the final opinion, all of this, the key all the features of my review, and people want to learn about this. Okay, if you direct copy paste your the sales page, then I don't recommend it. Okay, you have to write the key features, the key points about this product, and people want to know it. And for this reason, they come here to read reviews. They want to see the real opinion, user opinion. Okay, you have to write this type of review, and if you can do it, then you can get more conversion. And for this reason, for this review, I just invest $76, and I just get 84 clicks. That means every click for $1, and this 84 clicks, and you see here my review. And if you see my Kibo code, you see the Kibo code, and here is 88 clicks, and here is initial sale 2, here is reveal cell 4, and here the full result. $2,575. Okay, just 76 turn this amount. Okay, and you can apply any of this product from ClickBank, from this e-business and e-marketing, and you can get this type of amazing results. Okay, and I will show you how you can set up your Google Ads. Okay, at the first you have to create your Google Ads campaign. Okay, now click here a new campaign. Just click here the new campaign. Okay guys, but first thing is first, if you first inside my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Rajbhadro and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel. I can assure you, you never be frustrated, you never be disappointed to subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, it's my guarantee. You can check it. Okay guys, now you have to select two target. You see two target, you see 8 target here, but you have to select one target from its maybe sales. If you want to get sales, or you can choose website traffic, you can choose any of them. Okay, website traffic or sales, but if you want to get my recommendation, then I recommend you to choose sales. Okay, then you have to click here search and display. Don't choose display, just search. Okay, and click the website visit. Okay, click the website visit and you have to put your website URL. If you have your own website, then fine, you can put this URL. And if you don't have a website, then you can put your site Google URL or Medium URL or Blogger URL. That's it. Okay, fine. Then click the continue. You have to choose your campaign name XXXXX. Okay, fine. And just choose here search network. Okay, deselect this display network. Okay, and here is the location. In this case, I just recommend you to choose only tier 1 country, and for this you can choose enter your location, search USA, then you see here this United States. Just click target here, then click Canada. Okay, select here, and you have to choose all the tier 1 countries. It may be United States, it will be United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Singapore, okay, or United Kingdom. You have to choose this country, mainly United States and Canada. Okay, here is your language, it's for English, and here is your budget. And in this case, I recommend you to make your budget 25 per day. If you are a newbie, then 25 per day, and if you already have an earner marketer, then you can put 40 or 50 budget. Okay, then you can increase your budget anytime, it doesn't matter. Okay, now click here the bidding. Okay, and select the bidding strategies and choose the manual CPC. Okay, fine, then 7 continue. Okay, here is your ad group name XXX, it's fine. then here is your bid, and in this case if you choose only United States, then in the case of uh, ClickBank products, I suggest you to make your bid minimum 80 cents. Okay, minimum 80 cents, then you can get more better result. You can decrease your bid, but I recommend you 80 in the case of United States people. Okay, now you have to put your keywords, and it will be, I just prefer exact match. Okay, I don't prefer this phrase match and broad match. Okay, just use exact match, and for this you have to here is my okay. Okay, you can use review, you can use preview, scam, demo, price, or legit, or scam, does it work to buy. You can choose any of the keywords. You will get a lot of videos inside my YouTube channel about Google Ads. You can you have to watch all the videos. I recommend you. Okay, if you want to get success on Google Ads, then I recommend you to watch other videos, then you can get all the elaborate inside Google Ads campaign. Okay, fine. Now if you see this, no traffic expected, in this case I will show you just a short tricks. Okay, make money online, but after publish your ads, just pause this keyword, mind it. Okay, if you get traffic using this keyword, then it's not targeted, super targeted, it's not super targeted. Okay, and for this just use it, and you see here you don't see this. After publishing your ads, just visit the keywords and pause this keyword, that's it. Okay, now save and continue. And in here you can put your video title, sorry, your ad campaign title title here, and here is the description. So here is the title, it's one of the title, KiboCode quantum review. Then you can, does it work to buy, is it a scam or legit. Okay, honest user opinion. Okay, but mind it, make the first on. Okay, KiboCode quantum review, make it the first position. Okay, first position, just make it, and then all those are random. You don't need to select the position, but you can select all the position. You can select it the second position, third position. Okay, and second position means when you see this, it's the number one position, KiboCode quantum review. Okay, and does it ought to buy, it's the second position. And if you choose it random, then you see here this random on, you see it. Okay, this random on up and down, this time this headline shows, another headline shows. Okay, but if you select the position, then it's not changing. Okay, it's depend on you. And by this you have to use your description about this product. You can simply put a description, and Finally, you added all the headlines and description, then you have to save and continue. You see on issue, you have to fix. If you face it, this ad has issues that prevent it from showing good. Okay, just click the fix it issue and it indicates what's the issue. Okay, you don't have to write to use this symbol, and for this it's the issue and you have to remove it. Okay, and here is the display URL and it's your product URL. That means Kibo code quantum review. Okay, fine, it's the display URL, it's the product name. And after fixing your problem, just click save and continue. You see here all your ads are done, and just click the publish button and send the review. After clicking the publish button, Google review your ads and within 10 to 20 minutes you get approval. That's it. And by this way I make this type of sales, just investing teeny 76. You see here is my Kibo code quantum, and you see I just invest I just invest 76 and I get 1404 impression, and here is the clicks, here is the interaction rate, here is the average cost, and here is my result. That's it. So guys, if you like this video then like it, and if you have any question about this method, if you want to apply, then comment in the comment box. I will solve your problem because I am running Google Ads and get results. Okay, and I am always here to reply your question. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel, a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel, and I upload 3 videos per week. So if you want to get proven money making opportunities, obviously you have to subscribe my YouTube channel. I upload 3 videos per week. So guys, it's all of my case study with my income proofs, with my all the proofs, and if you want to apply it, then I recommend you to follow all the video step by step and apply it. I assure you, you must get results. Okay guys, so that's it. At the first you have to create your ClickBank account, then choose ClickBank products, then write an amazing review and set up your Google Ads campaign. Okay, that's all the process that I personally apply it and get results. You see it. Okay guys, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra, and if you have any question, comment in the comment box. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. So guys, see you soon. God bless you. Bye.